Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I am back after a few days because I got some papers to do and I have exams back then. Now I am free, and here we are going to the second lecture of the chapter number 1 from the ninth class, which is the introduction to the biology. In the first lecture we have studied the biology, what is biology, and its three major division, which is the zoology, which deals with the study of the animals, and the second one is the botany, which deals with the plants, study of the plants, and the microbiology, which deals with the microorganisms such as the bacteria, etc. And by moving further, we are going to explain the other branches of the biology which are associated to the organisms. Let's go to the morphology. What is morphology? Morphology, basically it is the branch of the biology which is the study of the form and the structure of the living organism. Basically it is the form and structure of living organisms. आया कि वो बनते कैसे हैं, उनकी फॉर्म कैसी है, उनकी स्ट्रक्चर कैसी है, उनका स्केलेटन कैसा है. तो मॉर्फोलॉजी में हम ये देखते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन इज एनाटॉमी. द स्टडी ऑफ द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एनाटॉमी. इंटरनल structures such as what is the internal structure of the heart, brain, kidney. This all includes under the umbrella of anatomy. Histology. Histology, the microscopic study of the tissue, is called the histology. Basically in this branch of the biology, we study the study of the tissue, a different kind of tissue such as epithelial tissue and different kinds of tissue we are study under the scope of histology. It is the study basically microscopic study at a micro level, microscopic study of tissues. And the second one is cell biology. Cell biology, the study of the structure and the function of the cells and the cell organisms which are performing different kind of function in our body, in our living system, is called the cell biology. This branch deals also with the study of the cell division, such as how the cell is produced and how it divided into other, and by mitosis and meiosis we will see next. Basically it is the study of the structure and the functions of cells and cell organelles such as mitochondria, etc. And the next one is physiology. This branch deals with the study of the function of different parts of the living organism, such as how our body parts work, such as the elbow, arm, thighs, etc. It all under the we studied all these functions under the umbrella of the physiology. Functions of different parts of living organisms, obviously. Genetics, basically it is the study of the genes and their roles in the inheritance, is called the genetics, such as our chromosomes. What is inheritance? We see inheritance. What is meant by inheritance? Inheritance means the transmission of characters from one generation to the others, such as the characteristics of the father and parents, and they are transmission of the characters from the parents to their child. This is known as the genetics. And such as study of the genes, basically it is the study of the genes and their roles. Embryology, it is study of the development of an embryo to a new individual. Make content made a intimate uh, contact with each other, and they give birth to an embryo, and which is ultimately going to become a new individual. Study of the new embryo, study of an embryo to new individual. अच्छा जी, taxonomy, study of the naming and the classification organization into groups and subgroups. Different kinds of classifications are present, such as the classification of the plants and the different kinds of animals into the groups and subgroups. Basically, it is the naming so that we can remember easily, naming and classify them easily, and classification into group and subgroup. Next one is paleontology. It is the study of the fossils, which are the remains of the extinct organisms, such as the fossil of dinosaur, which are extinct organisms, as we know. It is the study of the fossils, which are the remains or remainings extinct species or organisms. Next one is environmental biology. It deals with the study of the interaction between the organisms and their behavior on the environment and the environment impact on the organisms. This all study under the umbrella of environmental biology. It is basically the interaction between organisms and their environment in which they live. Next one is sociology. Deals with the study of the social behavior of animals that make societies. Social behavior, such as the behavior of the human being also known as the social animal, that make societies. And the next one is parasitology. As we know that parasitology deals with the study of the study of parasites. And the what are parasites? Parasites are those which absorb and gain their food from their host, and in return they produce disease, different kind of disease. This all under, they are known as parasite. And the next one is biotechnology. Biotechnology deals with the practical application of the living organism to make substance for the welfare of the mankind, such as the making of insulin from bacteria. And the next one is immunology. It is the study of the immune system of the animals, which defend the body against invading microbes. Basically, it is the study of the immune system. अच्छा जी. uh, Immune system. What is immune system? Basically, it is the system of our body to protect us from the harmful substance when foreign objects such as antigen enter into the body. Body recognizes as a foreign object, and and to defend the body, it produces different kind of antibodies to protect our body. Basically, entomology. It is the study of the insects, different insects such as bees and different kinds of grasshopper. It's all under comes the umbrella of entomology. And the last one, but not the least, pharmacology. It is the study of the drugs. Basically, pharma, as we know, drugs and their effects on the system of human body.